Okay, this is activity 10. You're going to identify the density of your unknown solids. In activity 9, measuring and calculating density, you saw that determining the density of an object can help determine the material is made from. In this activity, you will use the density to identify the remaining 2 unknown metallic solids you separated from the unidentified mixture. Once you have identified the parts of the mixture, you will use that information you collected to figure out the hazards for your unidentified mixture. So you're going to need the separated solids and then the items that will be on the front table for you. Here's your procedure. You're going to separate the unidentified solids, and you're going to first label the mass of each one, the volume of each one, and then calculate the density of each one. Once you have calculated the density, then you can use the chart from activity 9 to figure out which of the metals are the two are, and then list that on page 39 in your journal. Those would be the last 2 you need to list on page 39, and then you've answered your challenge question. Once you finish that, you're all done with your challenge question. And you should be done with this part of the lab. We just have a quiz to take, and we're all set to move on to atoms.